Hello, my name is Theodoros Poulianitis and I'm currently studying tourism and hospitality management in Swiss Alpine Center. I've been actually working in the hospitality industry for the past 5 years now, and the way I found out about Alpine was through an old colleague of mine who is a former Alpiner, and he suggested that in order to have an academic substance and in order to further pursue my career in tourism and hospitality, Alpine is the way to go. And after some personal research I did, I found out Alpine is the best choice for that reason. The thing is, you should have the dedication and focus on your studies in order to have the best result possible. This is a challenge that new students might face. This is a challenge that I actually faced, but I assure you that the teachers of the university provide the expertise and they adjust each lesson individually to each person, so nobody is feeling left out. The most important aspect of tourism and hospitality Alpine helped me develop was communication, because me as a person, I'm a pretty introverted person, and the presentations and the team assignments helped me overcome that fear, let's say. And you will find yourself have many memories from the university. My personal favorite was when we were having the F&B class. We were blindfolded and we were trying to race each other to see who will not pour the drinks we were holding the tray, and it was a pretty fun day. So currently, me and 4 more people from my class, we are doing our industry placement in Amanzoe, one of the best hotels in Europe, and we got our placement through the career days we have in Alpine. It's when people from all over the industry come to the college, and they try to, through interviews, to find the best candidates for the internships, for the placements, for everything. Hospitality to me means to try and keep a balance between professionalism and also being yourself, and that's what Alpine is all about, and it's one of the things that it has to offer.